In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make $1,000 month clipping videos with AI tools. The basic idea behind the clipping business model is simple. You take long-form content like podcasts, interviews, webinars, or live streams and turn those recordings into short-form videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. This works because most creators already have valuable content, but they often do not have the time to repurpose it into multiple short clips. To do this well, you first need to understand what makes a clip worth watching. Strong clips usually teach something useful, tell a story, reveal a surprising fact, share actionable advice, or create curiosity. If a moment makes people stop scrolling and keep watching, that is the kind of section you want to use. Next, choose your AI tools. You can use AI clipping software to detect engaging moments, AI caption generators to create subtitles, AI video editors to speed up the polishing process, and AI title generators to help you come up with stronger hooks. A popular tool for this workflow is Opus Clip, which is a great place to begin. Once your tools are ready, find content to clip. Good sources include podcasts, business interviews, educational videos, motivational speeches, public domain content, or content provided directly by clients. One important note here, always make sure you have permission before clipping and reposting someone else's content for commercial use. After that, import the long video into your AI clipping tool and let it identify the most engaging moments. From one long video, create multiple short clips. This is one of the biggest advantages of clipping because a single piece of content can become many posts. Then add captions since many people watch short videos without sound. Make sure your videos are optimized for vertical viewing by exporting them in a 9:16 format, which is ideal for shorts, reels, and TikTok. To improve retention, trim out pauses, filler, and anything unnecessary so the clip feels fast and engaging from beginning to end. You'll also want to create engaging titles. Curiosity-driven titles tend to perform well. Examples include titles like The Advice That Changed My Business, Why Most People Never Succeed, or This Productivity Trick Saves Hours. As you improve, start building a portfolio with sample clips that show off your editing style and quality. Then begin reaching out to potential clients like podcasters, coaches, consultants, YouTubers, course creators, and business owners. Offer to turn their long-form content into short-form videos. When it comes to pricing, many beginners charge per clip, per package, through weekly content bundles, or with monthly retainers. The key is delivering consistent quality through clean captions, good pacing, strong hooks, and professional formatting. To reach $1,000 per month, you could work with 2 clients paying $500 monthly, 4 clients paying $250, or 10 clients paying $100. As your portfolio grows, you can raise your rates and attract bigger clients.